Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today, we are going to continue with the same lesson in general knowledge subject, that is lesson number 6, Fun with Games. In the previous class, we have done with 33 and 34 page, wherein we have gained some knowledge about few of the indoors as well as outdoor games. Right, kids? Now, today we are going to start with page number 35. So come on, without wasting time, remove your page number 35. This is your page number 35. Now kids, what is given here on the top? They are saying basics of a game. They are going to give us some knowledge about the basics of few of the games, right? Let us first start with the first question. What is your first question? The first question is here. Arrange the sports in alphabetical order. Okay. Now they have given you few names of the sports like here cricket, boxing, karate, hockey, rowing, golf. Okay. So here they have given us few names of the games. By seeing its first letter, we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Now to arrange anything in alphabetical order, first we should know what is alphabetical order. Okay, so for that we will need A to Z, written A to Z. So let us come to that page. Okay, I will show you. This is your ABCD, ABCD till Z. Can you see this? Now which is your first letter? A. Second, B. Third, C. Now in this, I am giving you one example. If I say arrange K, S and Z in alphabetical order. Now how you will arrange? The letter which comes first will be your first word letter of the answer. Like K comes first, so K will be first. Then goes which comes first of all, circle them. I have circled all. So what will come first? K. What comes in the next? S. Then next is Z. I think so this you have already done in your grammar session also. Right? Okay. So what is R given in our question? In our question they have given us cricket, boxing, karate, hockey, rowing and golf. Right? So let us circle the first letters. Now cricket, C. Okay. Then boxing, B. Then goes karate, K. Then goes hockey, H. Then comes rowing, R. Where is R? Yes, here it is. Then comes golf, G. Here it is. So total how many games are given? Cricket, boxing, karate, hockey, rowing and golf. It means 6 games. Let us check. We have circled 6 things. Cricket C, boxing B, karate K, hockey H, rowing R and golf G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. So now by after doing this circling, what you will do is which alphabet come first? B. Then C. So B for boxing. Then first answer will be boxing. In the first column what we will write? Boxing. Correct? What about the next? Correct. Cricket. Then we'll go A, B, C, D, E, F. Then comes G. That is golf. Then H is also circle, that is hockey. Then K, karate. And then the last one is R, rowing. Have you understood? Now this way it will go. Okay, let us see the answers. Can you see this? Boxing. Correct. C for cricket, G for golf, H for hockey, K for karate, and R for rowing. So this way we have to arrange the given games or the sports in alphabetical order. This way we have arranged it. Come on kids now. By seeing this, write it in your book in a good handwriting. Yeah, only this part. Correct? Write only this much part. Come on kids, I will give you some time. Or else you can do one thing. Like here, for the time being you can put the numbers like 1 for boxing, cricket 2, golf 3, hockey 4, karate 5, and rowing 6. Write down these numbers first. Okay? And then later on, copy down correctly in the given columns. Okay? Now we'll not waste more time. We'll go move to the next question. Yes, dear? Okay. Have you written? Come on, write 2, 1, 5, 4, 6, 3. Correct. I repeat 2, 1, 5, 4, 6, 3. Okay? Come on, I'm moving to the next question. We are on page number 35, right? Now let us start with this question. Next question is fill in the blanks. What is the next question? Here, fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks given is Ludo can be played by a maximum number of dash players. I have spoken about it in the previous video. Do you remember? It can be played by maximum 4 players. What it is? 4. F O U R. 4 players. Right? So I'm writing it in once again. Where it went? Yeah, it is here. For the time being, I'm writing it in numerals. Later on, I'll show the written part, right? Wherein we'll write it in spellings. That is in words. The second question. Let us see what is given in the second question. There are dash players in a team of football. Do you know how many players are there in the team of football? Yes, there are 11 players. 1, 1, 11. Okay. Now, badminton is played in a such a easy answer. Badminton, naturally it is played in a badminton court. What it is called as? Badminton. The spelling is already given. Correct? It is badminton court. COURT. Okay, badminton is played in the badminton court. Don't worry, I will give you the answers later on. Okay. Now what about the next question? Fourth one. This is your fourth one. Tennis. Tennis can be played by a maximum number of dash players. It is just similar to Ludo. It is also played by the maximum number of 4 players. How many players? 4 players. Okay, kids. What about the next question? Fifth one. Golf. Golf is played in a golf is played in a golf course. Where it is played? golf course. Golf, golf, course. Course. Golf is played in a golf course. Okay, kids. Now see, let us see the last fill in the blanks. That is sixth one. This chess. Chess is played on a black and dashboard. Correct. We have discussed this in the previous video. Yes, it is black and white. WHITE. On a black and white board. Okay, kids. Okay, for today we'll stop here. Answers I will show you in the next class. Right? In the beginning itself I will show you the answers of it, and then we'll complete the next question. Till then, bye kids. Have a nice day.